So our objective for today is to find the solution set of the inequality. So we have here an example, x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. So meron tayong inequality na symbol. To find for the inequality of x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0, we have the following steps. Step 1 is to change the quadratic inequality to quadratic equation in standard form. To greater than na inequality, naging equal sign. So x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Step 2 is to find the roots. X squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Hahanap tayo ngayon ng factors ng x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So hahanap tayo ngayon ng dalawang numbers na ang product niya is negative 6 at saka ang sum niya is positive 1. So ano kaya yung dalawang numbers? So negative 2 at saka positive 3. So ito na yung factors ng x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Quantity of x plus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. To find for the zeros of the equation, we use the zero product property. So, ito na yun. X is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 2. Step 3 is to create intervals. Ang ginamit lang natin dito ay ang number line. Meron tayong negative infinity at saka infinity. Saan ko kinuha itong negative 3 and 2? Galing ito sa critical value na negative 3 at saka positive 2. So ito na yon. Negative infinity is less than x is less than negative 3. Negative 3 is less than x is less than 2. 2 is less than x is less than positive infinity. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Ang ibig sabihin lang nito is less than kay negative 3 up to infinity. Kukuha tayo ng value or magte-test tayo ng value na less than kay negative 3, in between kay, ito naman in between kay negative 3 and 2, tapos ito is greater than kay 2. So step 4 is to test a number from each interval against the inequality. For negative infinity is less than x is less than negative 3, for example, let x is equal to negative 5. So, tinest lang natin itong value. Naghanap tayo ng value na less than kay negative 3. So, ang ginamit natin na test value is negative 5. X squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. Negative 5 squared. Pinalitan lang natin si x into the value of negative 5. Then, plus negative 5 minus 6 is greater than 0. So ito na yon. 14 is greater than 0. So ang solution natin, ito ay part ng solution si negative 5. So meaning, ito si negative less than kay negative 3 up to the negative infinity ay part ng solution. So for negative 3 is less than x is less than 2, let x is equal to 0. Ang ginawa natin para madali lang siyang isolve. X squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0, negative 6 is greater than 0, meaning hindi greater ng 0 si negative 6. So meaning hindi part ng solution set itong in between kay negative 3 and hanggang in between kay 2, negative 3 and 2. So next is to test the value of 2 is less than x is less than infinity. Let x is equal to 3. X squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. So pagkatapos natin na-compute, naging 6 is greater than 0. So meaning tama. Part ng solution si 2 is less than x is less than infinity. So step 5 is to test the roots against the inequality. For x is equal to negative 3, itong roots, dalawang roots, itetest natin. For x is equal to negative 3, 0 is greater than 0, it is not true. It does not satisfy the inequality. Next is x is equal to 2. Again, it is not true. It does not satisfy the inequality. X squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. Step 6 is to plot the roots. Ipa-plot na natin itong roots. So, ito na yung magiging itsura niya. Note that the solid circles are used in the graph if they are part of the solution set and open circles if not a solution. So, itong open circle is not part of the solution. Ito, open circles, tapos itong naka-dark, itong naka-highlight na line ay nagre-represent lamang ng solution set. So, step 7 is to write the solution set of the inequality. The solution set of x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0 is x such that x is less than negative 3 or x is greater than 2. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, less than kay negative 3 ang solutions natin at saka greater than kay positive 2. Not included si negative 3 and 2. That's all for this tutorial. See you on the next tutorial.